Hello Illuminated creators, Alex here with video 3. So remember I said that I regret making those lines? Well, here I am taking them out, using the black paint to paint over them because they were just unnecessary. Now the vertical and horizontal one, I always make those and I'll paint them over later, but I never regret making them. But this one, I knew I was going to regret it. So there we go. Just took care of that. So what I do in my sacred geometry paintings is I use the white paint to create a design. Like I'm doing here. So in this particular painting, I decided to create my design using these shapes. And so I white them out. This is so that later I can color them in using vibrant colors. So I'm going to do the sides, or the top and bottom, depending on how this painting will turn out. And there we go. Now I also want to make sure that I go over the triangle in the middle. There we go. And I got a feeling that I'm going to make that a little bit thicker. So there is video 3. And this again is an essential phase for my sacred geometry paintings, because this gives me, again, a nice white canvas to paint on with the background of my choice. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.